Good morning. It is like 6:30 in the morning and we're headed to the train station. Or technically our final destination is Amsterdam, but that's about a 10-hour train ride. So we're taking a 4.5-hour train ride to Hamburg, Germany today. We're gonna hit up some Christmas markets and then we'll finish the journey tomorrow.
Hamburg, og så vil vi fortsætte videre mod Slesvig og endelig Hamburg. Og så går alle en behagelig rejse. Og så håber vi, at alle har haft en behagelig rejse. Og vi beklager, at vi kører lidt langsomt nu, men vi har en signalfejl på vej mod Hamburg.
Who was paid to pick that horn? They need to raise.
The next station is Hamburg. And in Hamburg, we are changing the staff. The Danish staff will get off the train and they will be replaced by German staff.
We asked her what the most traditional chocolates were, and that was these. The stuffed ones, pralines or whatever. It's dark chocolate. Got like caramel inside.
I'm so glad I got that face on camera.
It's dark chocolate with caramel. Although there is a bit of fruit taste.
This is what I'm super interested in. It's the frog. There you go. I got it.
We got one frog. All of their frogs, most of their frogs were alcohol flavored, liquor flavored. This is espresso martini.
You don't like it?
I want you to try it.
Okay. I'm afraid now.
Do you like it?
It's okay. I don't mind it. There is definitely a little bit of like that martini flavor in there.
It's not bad.
Which I'm not like a super big fan of.
It's not bad. It's not my favorite.
But the espresso was really good and the chocolate is really good. So I want to know if I could have gotten one that wasn't the martini flavor added.
But we're Harry Potter fans, so you know we gotta eat the chocolate.
Is the
frog on
surprise
the
gonna
train.
like and it jumps out of the window? I'm gonna see if I can find that scene.
Alright. We're in Germany now.
Welcome to Hamburg, the second largest city in Germany. We're just here for one night, and our goal is to hit up the Christmas market here. So we've heard it's pretty good, and so we're gonna go check that out later today, after we check into our hotel.
Nice. It's nice. We're at the Marriott Courtyard by Marriott, in Hamburg. So we're gonna go get lunch because I am starving. I'm so hungry.
Let's go get lunch.
Yep.
Sometimes I wish these cameras had smell-o-vision because it smells amazing in here. You can smell all of the meat being smoked. Oh, it smells so good. they might have
So
something.
this is alcohol-free punch. It's hot punch, basically, from this place. Nice, cool mug. I think I'm going to return this mug. The mugs are getting expensive. I have the two that I want. Because it's $9 for 2 drinks, but they charge you 17 euros because it's a mug retainer. So if we return these, we'd get like 8 euros back. It's 4 euros per mug.
Nice.
We're at the Hamburg Christmas markets. We're heading there now. We don't have that much time. We're gonna make the best of it and get some food. I think it's time for a dessert.
Erträgt diesen Namen, weil man nur einen blitzenden Lichtstrahl sehen kann. Zusammen mit anderen Rentieren von Haus zu Haus bringt.
I think they're reading like the Christmas story, and there's like a Santa in a sleigh on a like zip line, and I think it kind of goes up and down, and it's like a big thing right now. Kids are loving it, so that's unique. We haven't seen that yet. That's pretty cool. Let's see some more.
This is definitely one of the more busy markets that we've been to, but I feel like they have a lot more space between the stalls, so it's fairly easy to get around.
So I don't exactly know what this is, but it has bacon and cheese and sour cream and bread, and so it must be good.
I think it literally says hand bread. Yeah, I think it's literally hand bread. That's like what it translates to.
So let's give it a go. Exactly what it says. It's really good. They had a mushroom one too. I think I might have liked that one a little bit better, but I want to share this with Ben, and this is definitely something he would like. He doesn't like mushrooms, so, but it's good.
It's really good. I don't think I'm a huge like sour cream fan, but the bacon is like really thick ham. It's really savory, and the cheese is really good too. I really don't know how better to describe it. It's really good. 10 out of 10. Absolutely love it. It's probably one of my most favorite things I've had at a market so far.
Wow.
Minus the sour cream.
All right. The only complaints, I shouldn't have any complaints. The only complaint, and this is just because now I'm being a stickler because we've been to so many good places, is that the hot chocolate at this market is definitely like, comes from a mix instead of the other places in Nuremberg being like real like mixed chocolate into milk. That's the only difference. I still like mixed hot chocolate, so it still tastes good to me. It's just not as original, I should say. That's my only complaint. It's not really a complaint, just a fact.
Can you tell she's spoiled? I don't really know what this is, but it's kind of like a pancake pofferty kind of like combo with Nutella and powdered sugar. They were really funny, and they kind of sell street food, so they sell like a savory version of this. But I was just really in the mood for something sweet after that hand bread, so of course it's good. It's not going to be bad. I'm pretty sure there's not a single bad piece of food here at this market. It's so good.
Does it hit the spot?
Yes. I feel like I could eat a bunch of these, but I would regret it later. Especially if you like Nutella. This is like perfect. Like if you love Nutella, Germany is definitely the place for you. Alright, so a lot of people ask us to do room tours, so we wanted to do a room tour of one of each places that we are staying. So I wanted to give an overview of the room here just so anybody can get an idea. If you're coming to Hamburg, this has been a great place to stay. So off to my right, we have a little bathroom. So we have everything in here that you could possibly need. A nice shower, a nice toilet, nice shower and sink. And when you come in, they give you even like a little menu to their Brockman's Daily Food Market. So this is something that's only open in the evening, but they do have a little restaurant here. Your standard do not disturb sign. There's one super large king bed here with outlets on both sides of it. I really like the design of this place. It's very modern, aesthetically pleasing. They also did give us, since I have membership with Marriott, I have a status with them. They did give us some really nice candies for both of us, so we're going to try these later, in a bottle of water and a little 10% discount card. So great to have that. And then they have a little coffee nook here with teas and coffee and sugar and a wine opener and hot water maker, so you can even have your ramen. So you can even make your own ramen. So if you wanted to save some money while you're here, you could definitely go to the supermarket and buy some ramen. This is definitely one of the more affordable hotels that we went to. So I really like Courtyard Marriott's. We don't normally stay in them. We normally try to stay in kind of like a more local hotel, but this works out great for us, especially when we're staying in a place for one day. A nice little window overlooking the garden, little resting seat and chair. So it's an absolutely great place. I'm sure there's not that many people who do room tours at Courtyard Marriott, but I figured we would at least share because it's interesting to me. All right, I'm going to go ahead and end today's vlog here. We only had about, I don't know, not even like 16 hours here in Hamburg. Also, the Christmas market here was absolutely wonderful. I tried to capture as much as possible in the limited amount of time that we had, but highly recommend the Hamburg Christmas market. It was very good. It was definitely comparable to Stuttgart and Nuremberg. I definitely think Stuttgart was definitely a little bit bigger. Nuremberg was pretty big as well, but apparently there's like 10 different Christmas markets here. So we only went to the biggest one, which at least what we were told, which is by the Rathaus, which is basically like the city hall. So we went to the biggest one here to try to get the best experience in the limited amount of time. We also had that great little lunch today. We definitely want to come back to Hamburg. I think it's definitely a good little city to come and check out. We've got so many other places to see, so it was kind of just a little bit of a layover for us. Instead of taking a 10-hour train from Copenhagen all the way to Amsterdam, we decided to do a little stop over here in Hamburg for a day. Tomorrow is a little bit more of the same. We're going to be spending another 5 hours on a train from Hamburg to Amsterdam because we kind of broke that trip up. And then we are going to go check out Amsterdam for 2 days before we fly out. Stay tuned for that. I don't know if Amsterdam has any Christmas markets, but we are going to be doing some sightseeing there and are going to be checking out a few interesting places. Also, our hotel's pretty cool there too, so stay tuned for that if you're interested in our room tours. Subscribe if you want to see more of our content. We try to release videos once a week, so hopefully that will help encourage you to subscribe to our stuff and watch each of our videos. Also, if you like this content, please give us a whole thumbs up. That really helps with the algorithm. It helps share that content with others and moves it to the top of the search rankings. So we do appreciate that. All right, so that is it for this. And hopefully you're doing well. And we will see you all on the next one.